I'm a textile designer from NIFT.
Hi, I'm Komal. I'm a textile designer. I graduated in 2019 and I'm currently in the process of starting my own kids wear brand.
On my hair, I really like magenta, and I've been experimenting a lot with my hair. I've never had the same hair for more than 6 months. I've cut my hair, I've had a global hair color, I've bleached my hair before for violets and blues, but this time I'm thinking of going really bright in terms of red, and let's see how that goes.
So my favorite color in general is black or shades of neutral, but for my clothes and in terms of hair color, I really want to try something which is a bit funky, and I basically like shades of blues, greens.
My natural hair color is dark brown to black, but I have light tips of mocha. So I'm thinking of bleaching them before I dye, so that it comes out better or brighter.
My natural hair color is, since birth, it's very light brown, but yeah, I will need to lighten it more to have a brighter shade.
Didn't you have blonde highlights before?
Yeah, I did have blonde highlights. That's why I'm saying I've just played in the same tones as my hair color and not something in contrast with it. So I'm really looking forward to try that.
I think everybody can color their hair, and because Paradise formula is so simple, and I was a part of the consumer trial before, I had colored my own hair for the very first time, and I had absolutely no trouble doing that. It was such a quick process. In 5 minutes, like, I was done with the color, and the color came out so beautifully. I was insisting my parents to try it, and I also attempted to prank my brother by bleaching his hair at night, and I colored his hair teal. So I mean, it's that quick, and I think everybody can color their hair, and it's like a myth that only designers or people who are funky color their hair wildly. If once somebody gives it a try, they will surely love it. It's a form of self-expression. Great personally, and this is much better than I'd expected. The colors come out so vibrant and look so good. So this is Paradise Rubra Red, and one of the greatest things about this hair dye is the fragrance. So Rubra Red has a very autumn kind of fragrance.
And I tried Superba Aqua, and the fragrance, talking about the fragrance, it's very fresh and breezy, and it doesn't stink at all. So I love the color shade on it, and the best part is it's super easy to apply. I think the red, it defines her personality. It makes her look more bold and confident.
And I think teal was the right choice for you. Other than violet and blue, I think this looks great. And after this phase, we can, I can come over and I can keep putting up more experiments with you. I think my mom is going to kill me for sure, but I've been doing things like this, so she's, she knows that however angry she gets after 2-3 days, she'll be, accustomed to how I'm looking. I have no idea what's going to happen.
My parents, I think they were expecting something more wild, so I think it will be a win-win for both of us.
I've been thinking what nicknames we'll be getting from our friends since morning, and I'm very excited to, see their creativity unleashed.